Diolch i'r staff blwyddyn 5 a 6.
Diolch.
Diolch i ein athrawon sydd wedi helpu ni dros y flwyddyn diwethaf.
Diolch.
Diolch. Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr i'r athrawon.
Diolch i'r athrawon am y holl cefnogaeth blwyddyn yma.
A huge thanks to all head teachers, our teaching staff and the education staff.
I want to say thank you for all staff and teachers for the hard work doing with the children and for all the supports given to them. Diolch.
Thank you for encouraging us and letting us be ourselves.
Diolch and thank you.
Ond helpu fi efo mathemateg a iaith.
I would like to thank the librarians. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'd like to say to all the teachers and school staff a big thank you.
Cyn ysmygu arweinydd Cyngor Sir Ynys Môn. Dyma gair bach i ddweud diolch o galon i holl blant a phobl ifanc, staff, rhieni a teuluodd am ei gwaith yn ystod y flwyddyn ym myd addysg. Mwynhewch yr haf, buan dawn mis Medi.
I would like to thank the bus drivers for getting us to school on time.
I'm thanking the teachers for helping us with our work and teaching us new art skills and writing some poems.
Diolch i'r holl staff a disgyblion ni am popeth wedi wneud dros y flwyddyn diwethaf a mynhewch eich gwyliau chi.
I would also like to thank the people that work in the canteen. Diolch!
Diolch i'r holl staff coleg.
Diolch and down to our staff, because learning is fun.